day 10 of me opening up my Pokemon Advent Calendar. But day 10 is quite small. My guess would be a coin. And something's happened. Oh no, it's stuck. I think I need something. Grab this. I'm going to use it. This is oh, where's something? Got day 8. Hopefully day 8 can solve the problem of me trying to get this coin. I'm going to rip this. I think it's now stuck. This is so annoying. I just want my coin. Okay, it's gone to the second one. I can just grab it from there. There we go. Oh, whoa! It's quite cool. Not worth it though. Me spending ages trying to grab it. That's quite cool. A shiny English ray. It's like not the card I got. Well, this ended this video, and I hope you can join me tomorrow for day 11. I hope I haven't accidentally destroyed it. The process of me getting this one. But yeah, Merry Christmas!